Okay. What we have here today on Bitcoin, from what I can see, is an actual another higher low and continuation with everything else that has been going on. We have a long list of steady climb at the moment. Where we're sitting at right now is a nice standpoint, dangling in between a few fibs at the moment. Did break resistance. Right now, we should be checking support on the resistance that we broke through. This one. We're looking for somewhat of a check down, but it can stand where it's at right now off a wick side, make a double bottom. Uh, Looking for the body of this candle to close in the next 48 minutes in the range 22. That's 23, 258. You're going to try to close above that. If so, you'll be continuing the run up right now. Yeah, because this can only really actually be a small pullback for the next big bump. The next big bump, we could look to play out, get you in that area of 26.8, 27.5, and then 28.2. Boom. Triple threat coming. As far as for the daily, still holding the same true pattern, riding the field up right now. Uh, you can coincide all of this right here with the fall of USDT. As USDT seems to be trying to make a threatening bounce back up, it's really more than nothing less than a bull trap for anybody betting on that. This is due to fail around 6.9% again. It could even fall at 663. Let's mark that. That would be a 6. This is a failure area, and this is more or less what we want to see any rise in the rest of the crypto market. You need to fail right here. Anywhere in this range, really. Blue line is predominantly where I feel like it should bounce back to before another fall. Uh, you will actually see 1, 2. This will be your third higher low, or lower high, however you want to say it. This will get you the same fallout as Bitcoin is making for the third higher low for the run. We should get a plateau around 30,500. Get a sideways action for a few days. The next springboard effect will take you to 39.8. From there, you can look for the dailies to play out within the next few days. I usually say in between three days in a week. So if you got two bounces, you can look for the next 2.5 weeks, which will take us somewhere close to August 3rd-ish, somewhere around there. That'll be the immaculate part of the bounce where you'll start to see the 40s. That's just a brief review for right now for what I see in the middle of what we got going on in this little hump day Wednesday. Bitcoin is trying to cross the hump. You might get a play out like this 8 o'clock hit in the next couple 45 minutes here. You can look for that candle to immediately make a move upward. And that'll be probably the best thing we can see for right now. Doge is doing the same kind of pattern, but you have a gap up right here. So it will be coming back to close that around 6901. Even if it's just a wick down, just to be able to continue its own move up. You already got your double bottom. It's doing a check now. Luna two. I got my eyes on this one. I got a robot set up on this one. As you can see here, it's already formulating the same kind of process, making the higher lows, 1, 2, and 3. This right here is a nice check down point. Let's check the volume. Oh, yeah, it's a lot of buys in this area. If we slide this, alright, the numbers tighten up in favor, not even say 2,400 sellers right now. That's just until the algorithm resets once the 8 o'clock buzzer kicks in. Keep your eyes open on that. XRP, you can see the bullish divergence here. So you can see that this is going to get ready to spring too. Now these are all timely managed right here. Sorry about that. Get my Mary Jane together so I can get the bank. Give me 2 seconds, Brody. I'm doing a little chart review right quick, right fast. Other than that, the next basis we need would be to come off a significant bounce. This blue line here is a calculated line. I formulated an alligator between 3 lines, white, blue, and I believe purple. Let's see if I can get that in there. Yep, and purple. I believe the purple acts as the red, blue as the yellow, white as the green. Right now, we are looking for a bounce off the blue, which again should give us somewhat of another pinch on the Bollinger. The second pinch on the Bollinger, let's open this up. And you see right now the numbers are already in favor of the buyers, 22,000 over. So you should be coming down for another check around 35.7. Significant bounce there since you already played. Let's see if we did the 3 thing here. 1, 2. So we probably should come under it one more time. Tap it once, twice. Broke through after the third touch. Now you did the touch, fail, touch, fail. So right now you're back on the upswing of things. 1 bust through, 2 bust through. So now you need a check down with a candle to at least close through the line and come back up. That'll continue the bullish tandem for this. Let's see, we'll switch back to XLM here. XLM pretty much doing the same move. The algorithm is already set. It did touch that 1208 area today. You can look forward to repeat that same pattern. It should be able to add about 16 cents to a 16th to that run. That'll give you 1224. So you should be looking for 1224, possibly if everything stays set in stone. Let's see if we can find that. Okay, that's about cool. We'll take that one. This is our target area. We'll take it from the last bottom. And we'll meet this resistance here, 1227, 1228. Look at that. Pretty good. We'll leave that set. We'll wait for that to see how that plays. Just remember, this is not financial advice. It's only an analysis from my point of view on things. Let's do regular Luna Classic. We see that Luna Classic here is playing upon the field. I don't usually set this on all charts, but sometimes you can actually see it without it. You can just use one trend line to be able to catch what you need. Just a little bit of time and development, basically. Okay, now what you see here is that you have your deficit fall It looks like you can create a neckline from this. Oops. Let me see that. There we go. Alright. And zoom in here. And this is what you got. So you've already broken through resistance. At this point, you can actually see an inverse head and shoulder formulating. You want it to sort of straighten up. You want the price action to get to about right here. It's 0001713. Put a marker on that. Okay, with that happening right there, you can just the hour chart. You can look for the next few days, hopefully by the weekend, for this to start making a more of a parabolic move up. You pair that with Luna Classic in the 30 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, enough action for the short time frame. It basically just repeat the same pattern. A little smaller in detail, but the 30 minutes from Luna 2 matches the 1 hour from regular Luna. So if you can just find where they match up at, you can do TA on one coin and reference the other. Best part. Brief look at the DXY. It's still raging, so it's looking to come back down to check support from where it broke out at. Seemingly, it will most likely come back to 103,436.
Hey, that's that mic check, little guy.
We'll go back for another update.
You're only 5'2".